Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk AutoCAD. We are about to finalize our 3D model of house. So we have to give just a final touch up, and in order to do so, let's access this file which was saved in last lecture, lecture number 15. Once the file is loaded, we have to remove some unnecessary things, and then we will create a boundary wall. So from here, let's create a rectangle starting from this point and go all the way towards the other end like this. Let's hide it so that we can clearly see this line. Now we have to offset it as the boundary wall is a bit apart, and let's give value 120 inches, and we can delete that reference line. Let's get rid of these unnecessary things so that we have a clear view. To create the boundary wall, we have to offset this. So we're using offset command, and we have to give a value 9 inches inside. In top view, we will create a space here. So let's take a rectangle and we will do some estimated shape like this, 120 by 25. Now we'll use the trim command, and from here we will get rid of these unnecessary lines. These lines are in another dimension, or say another plane, so let's move them to this point like this. Now we have to join them so we can extrude a solid out of it. We can use the press pull as well, so let's hit it and go all the way up, and we can assign a value from here. This is fine, so let's give it 4 feet 48 inches, and this boundary wall seems pretty fine for now. We have removed all the unnecessary things, so we are just one step away to assign the materials and then render our 3D project. Now we have to save the file as lecture number 16 because we were doing all these changes in lecture number 15 file. Now we can close it and we can see the file has been saved on the desktop. So let's call it a day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.